Hi, my name is Sam. Welcome back. If you're new here, please consider subscribing. Today we're gonna cook a spicy Sichuan chicken, which is a dish that you can easily do in 30 minutes. This dish is great on a rainy days as it brings heatiness into your body. The portion that we are having today is actually perfect for 4 person. Feel free to add more or reduce it, depends on your number of people that you're having. Today we have 2 chicken drumstick, which is sponsored by SZE Poultry. You can find the link down below here. So let's get cooking. This is our chicken, so let's cut it into pieces. So we have to make sure that we cut into smaller pieces so that when we cook it, it will be cooked thoroughly. Now we're going to marinate our chicken for 15 minutes. We're going to use 3 tablespoons of cornstarch, 1 teaspoon of fine salt, 1 teaspoon of white pepper, 1/4 teaspoon of 5 spice powder, 1 tablespoon of sesame oil, 1 tablespoon of Chinese white rice wine, and lastly 1 tablespoon of shaoxing wine. Mix them all together and marinate it. Make sure the marinade thoroughly coated the chicken. Next is the star of our dish today, which is a Sichuan peppercorn. It has a unique aroma and flavors. It is neither hot like a chili nor pungent like a black pepper. It's called marinate in Chinese, and it creates a tingling numbness sensation in your mouth. And the finely ground powder of this is actually used in one of the items in the 5 spice powder. So we will be using a mortar to just lightly crush it. You can see after we do this, the shell of the seed itself have opened up. So you review the inside of it. That is where the tingling sensation came from. Next, we will prepare our ginger. Cut them into slices. Put it aside. A stalk of onion. We cut it roughly about 2 inches size. And we have 4 cloves of garlic. Just smash it and cut into half. Put it aside. Okay, next will be the dry chili. So as you bought it from the store, you have to soak it for about 25 minutes. And then cut all of them into half. All you need is just about 15 pieces. So you can adjust it according to your taste. If you prefer more spiciness, you can add more. As this dry chili, they are actually not that spicy. To add more aroma into this dish, we can get some curry leaf in. I have some in my garden. Let me go and get it. Now let's get some curry leaf from my own garden. Okay, I got it here. Next, remove the leaf from its stem. Let's fry the chicken now. Put the oil in and let it heat up to a proper temperature. To test the oil is ready or not, just put the wooden chopstick inside, and if you see it's bubbling, then it's ready. So we can put in the chicken. Okay, let's check on the chicken now. Just make sure they don't stick together, yeah? It's almost golden brown now. Take it out now. Okay, here's the secret recipe that a lot of restaurants do, is to double fry. As you fry the first round, the temperature of the oil will drop. So after you have done the first round, you keep it aside and then bring up the temperature of the oil first and do it the second round. This will make the chicken super crispy. Add back some oil into the pan. Add the ginger in, followed by the garlic. Next, we put in our dry chili and the curry leaf. And then we add in our peppercorn. The strong aroma of the peppercorn, followed by the scallion. The scallion will provide some balance amongst all the spiciness. And lastly, we add in the chicken. Okay, now we add in our shaoxing wine. And a bit of light soya sauce, according to your taste of saltiness. This smells so good. Okay, we are done already. Let's serve it to the plate. Our spicy Sichuan chicken is done. And thank you for watching the video. And if you're new here, please consider to subscribe and like the video as well. And next we're going to cook something Western as well. So see you next week.